Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I will show you an option which can be very important for you. So imagine you want to contact AirAsia and you need to have their contact information quickly. On CouponBet we have all this information ready for you from many different airlines. So let me show you exactly how you can find the AirAsia contact details right away. So first of all, you log in on your page. Once you're logged in here, you can see here the tools. So we just click on the tools, and once you click on the tools, you can see here all the information regarding to every airline that we currently have. And of course, so you can click on this, and if you click on this, you can find also more information regarding to the airline. So you can see here, this is the logo, you can see the airline, IATA code, the contact details, and even their address in case you need to visit them as well. So with this, you have quickly access to a lot of different contact numbers as well. As you can see here, there is a huge amount. So this is basically very useful for your travel agency. So if you're interested in this, just check out the website. Just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.